Righto, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. This episode we've got Max, young junior rider. He's come across from motocross into the mountain biking scene. Max has some solid skills, a keen attitude, and had some pretty impressive results in the club series as well. Yeah, he reached out to learn more about our tuning program. With Max's background in motocross, he understands how important proper bike setup is. So Max just didn't want to ride. He wanted to push harder, have more confidence, and have that bike feel like an extension of himself. We took a closer look at the suspension setup. It was clear that the suspension was holding him back. The slow rebound and harsh feel wasn't working for him at all. It was actually holding him back. So check this out. Righto, so this is Max's bike here. Got all the data gear set up on it. We were meant to be out today, but the weather hasn't been helpful during the week. It's been raining, so we just thought that give it another day for the tracks to dry out a bit more. So before I show you all this, when I do this, it's not about making fun out of people's bikes or giving anyone a hard time about their setups. It's more about just being realistic and showing people what I think and how the process works. Hopefully we'll get an opportunity afterwards, the tuning session, to show you what the bike looks like after we've finished with it. But like, as you can see with the shock, it almost feels like the shock almost sits down into the travel when I'm doing that, like running reasonably slow, or like very slow. And same with the forks as well, that are running pretty slow, and I can tell that by where the adjusters are. So yeah, we'll get Max on the data, and yeah, we'll just set all the spring rates and everything, then chase all the rebounds and compressions for him. Hopefully we might even try a tuned mass damper depending on how the time goes, but yeah, see you out in the trails. Righto, we're up at Fox today tuning. Weather seems to be holding us a little bit cold. The first one's up here. We're normally up here before everyone. Nice and quiet, and looks like the tracks may have dried out just a little bit, which is really good. We've got Max's bike here. I'll go through and just do a few little test runs in the car park and a stationary one, just to make sure it's all functioning or correctly and the data's all good. Yeah, so we've got all the toolboxes, all the computer, laptop ready to go. Some extra tools and my compressor combination there. Yeah, so I'll get into it. Okay, just done a quick car park test, one of the tests I do before the customer gets here. And this is just a bit of data here, me riding around the car park. So the green line is the fork and the white line is the shock. It's just like travel. But you can see like there's a fair bit of separation between the lines. It sort of really means nothing because it's a car park test, and I'm probably like at least 20-25 kilos heavier than Max. So, but yeah, you can see there's a lot of separation there. This is Max's second run after some more changes. See what that?
Oh, that's so much better.
Better?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
I got to hit all the jumps. It was still a bit jumpy.
Yeah.
But like 75% less jumpy than it was before.
Yeah, because I think like the shock or spring of the shock was a little bit stiff for you.
Yeah.
So just soften the spring a little bit.
Yeah, I was sort of like, I was just able to hit all my lines perfectly.
Yeah.
Like I did have to pull really hard for that last gap.
Yeah.
But it handled that so well. Like
Yeah,
just
cool.
that compression of pulling.
Yeah.
And landing.
Yeah.
It was just like, yeah, so good.
Yeah, cool. Alright, this is Max's third run. We made some good changes.
Get out of the rain.
What about the corners?
Corners, no issues.
Yeah.
Planted, helps me corner.
Yeah.
After that lap, I'm like, yeah, that's so good.
cool.
Corners so easy, turns for me sort of.
Yeah, awesome. And it's all good through the tech and everything, eh? You should
Yeah,
be pretty good through the tech now.
Tech, I can get all my lines perfect.
Yeah, you should track really
And I
good
can
through that
sort
now.
of charge through them a bit quicker.
Fourth lap. See what we made some little changes, see how we go.
Box file. There's one big puddle. That one, corner's perfect, jump's perfect, vibrations, can't feel any. But that was fun. And those jumps, like you said, normally I can't clear them, but didn't have to pedal, no cranks, just roll over, so.
That's good. That's a bonus thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Right,
Rocky stuff, perfect.
Yeah.
Wouldn't change a thing.
Did you notice I sped the fork up a bit?
I did feel that, yeah.
Did it match it better?
Yeah, definitely. Like on the corners, I was like, they were both compressing at the same time in the corners because there's a lot of braking bumps on that track.
Yeah.
Every corner has a braking bump, so it just sort of kept rolling through. So it was perfect that on the corners and the bumps.
5 with Max.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Almost went over the bars.
Pardon?
On that one corner I slipped on, it's like a rock drop as you turn. I almost went over the bars, but because I didn't go there, I didn't lean into the handlebars. Like, I don't know, handled so well. Perfect, would not change a thing.
Yeah.
That straight, I tripled down the staircase first time. I'm pretty happy.
Yeah, cool.
Can't really say anything else. It's
Yeah,
just
sick.
like, oh wow. Corners, perfect. But what was it, 2 weeks ago? I rode that track. Could not pedal. I was like so scared to do whatever. Now it's just like, alright, let's just keep going. Don't panic. It just does it for me.
Yeah, cool.
So
Yeah, sick.
yeah, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Alright, so we just finished up with Max. Just a quick run through. So, like now you can tell the bike's a lot more sensitive and the rebound's actually working. Same with the forks now. A lot more faster, tracks the ground. We had a really good day out with Max, so it was really good. So, yeah, good to go now. Yeah, so that was Max's tune day up at Fox. We had a really good day up there with Max. The weather came in, so we had to sort of shorten the day down a bit. But yeah, the results were really good. The performance on the bike was really good. I think Max's confidence has really lifted on the bike. Things that Max said on the day were really good too. Having those small little bits of feedback where someone comes down and gets super excited about doing new features for this first time with confidence, or hitting stuff that like for the first time and just doing it because they feel so confident on the bike. That's like, yeah, pretty special moments, because it can take a long time for people to sort of build up that confidence with their bike and the skill level. So, you know, like being able to tune someone's bike and give them that confidence like that, that's just like magic for me. Like, I really enjoy that part of it, being able to sort of really change like the people's bike and how they ride the bike and being out and enjoying themselves. So yeah, stick around and we'll definitely get more episodes out. We really want to build this channel, so yeah, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.